If you can dream it, you can do it. If you can push through that feeling of being scared, that feeling of taking a risk, really amazing things can happen. You can't make anything viral, but you can make something good. Sometimes it is the people who no one imagines anything of who do the things that no one can imagine. If you are not willing to risk the usual, you will have to settle for the ordinary. Success usually comes to those who are too busy to be looking for it. All we have to decide is what to do with the time that is given to us. People often say that motivation doesn't last. Well, neither does bathing. That's why we recommend it daily. After a while, you learn to ignore the names people call you and just trust who you are. Don't be afraid to give up the good to go for the great. Play by the rules, but be ferocious. A business that makes nothing but money is a poor business. Everything you've ever wanted is on the other side of fear. Life isn't about finding yourself. Life is about creating yourself. Someone I once knew wrote that we walk away from our dreams afraid that we may fail, or worse yet, afraid we may succeed. It is better to fail in originality than to succeed in imitation. Believe you can and you're halfway there. The elevator to success is out of order. You'll have to use the stairs, one step at a time. You are never too old to set another goal or to dream a new dream. When I'm old and dying, I plan to look back on my life and say, "Wow, that was an adventure," not, "Wow, I sure felt safe."